definitely just trying this voiceover thing for the first time. But anyways, don't mind me. I'm just trying to put the bumper back on since we need to pull the Mini around to the back, so we don't utilize the bumper to pull it. Just zapping some things on. That major. Just trying this voiceover thing for the first time to see if I want to start doing voiceovers on my videos. But yeah, y'all definitely tune in though. I'm definitely gonna do a case swap on this. I know it ain't too many case swap Mini Coopers out there, but I'm gonna try it out. See if I can get it to companies. I don't know, it might whoop me. Probably can't get it done, but I'm pretty sure after some research, I'll get it done. But yeah, y'all tune in. Yeah, I'm gonna stop playing music over my little videos and stuff and try to post some real videos now. You know, me and my family, we ain't too much no social media people, but I'm trying to get better at it. So don't crucify me. Well, yep, stay tuned for that case swap. It is coming soon.